gave us the situation, and my answer was lateral. And they were like saying like something a little bit mean on me because I keep on saying lateral, and they was like their answer is medial, and then the answer is lateral. I was like I'm happy for it because they kind of mean to my answer, but then I'm right at the same time. I'm happy. I was like, I don't care. I don't care even if they will gonna boo or whatever they're gonna do. You know, even if I don't have a partner over there, even if I don't have a friend. I don't have a friend much. I thought I'm gonna have a friend, but they're putting their self away from me. I don't know. I'm nice, but I don't know. But I don't care. I can live without a friend. No, I don't have too much friend over there at the room, and also my classmate all the time too. Sino ka? Share it. Well, linok-kolok mo ako. Nga, itong po. Ha? Sika yung sinasabi ko sa kanila na wala akong friend doon. Sabi ko, totoo naman eh. Cute at kalog to eh. Mamaya. Kasi kung ano, di naman nila ako kasama nila lagi. Kaya maintindihan ko naman. Kaming irregular na classmate, hindi namin din siya masadong close kasi nga parang hindi namin siya kasama. Kaya naintindihan ko yung mga classmate ko. Mabait, malilig. Niloloko naman mo naman ako. Maliit na cute nga sa... May ka sa akin, prank ka pa. Nag-aral ka na lang. Sinashare ko dito yung feelings ko. I share here my feelings on the live. But sometimes I share too much. Talino din eh. Sino? Ikaw po. Uwe. Uwe. Matalido din ka pa. Alam ko na nga. Kasi sabi mo matalino. Sabi ko, saan galing yun? So, wala ka na sister. Wala na school. Suspicious? Duktin. Kaya nag-try ako pati punta dito eh. Natatakot naman ako bumaba. Tapos tinatamad na ako magluto. Kasi mag-alas 9 na. Bakit mo magluluto kung pwede man bumili? Saka 50 man lang ito ata. Ang siomai rice. Masarap yung siomai rice. Yung dipsum. Magkano ba ito? Hindi ko kasi nakita kung magkano talaga. Pagkakaalam ko less than 50. Pero hindi ko alam. Magkano ba yung ganito? Yung siomai? 48? Ay! Hi, outdoor life. Paano mo na? Kung classmate kita, ano nga rod man ang damit ko ngayon?